Hi guys, before we jump in, I just want to mention that this particular product, the price does change on it often. So be sure and check out the link down below in the description and see what kind of price you can get for it. All right, let's jump in. In today's video, we're taking a look at the TempurPedic Luxe Adapt mattress. Now this right here is the mattress, and let me tell you, just from the touch of it, this mattress is extremely comfortable and extremely cool. Now, in my first few nights of using this mattress, I was really impressed at just how good of a night's sleep I was getting because of the cooling sensation from this mattress. Now, the mattress itself actually has a cover on the top of it, and if we unzip it here, you can actually see that is the mattress on the inside, but this cover is actually cool to the touch, and you can go ahead and actually just pull it off and machine wash it so your mattress stays nice and clean. Now, if you don't know, this NASA-engineered Tempur material is actually designed to hold up for a long time. This is meant to be a mattress that lasts you a very, very long time because it does retain its shape very well. Unlike those typical lower-end foam mattresses that do sink in over time and never really fully expand after the wear starts setting in, this one really holds its shape very nicely. And not only that, but that material is able to actually conform to your body as you sleep. I really think this TempurPedic mattress has found the very fine line between comfort and support, and I think they do it better than any other mattress. Now, this mattress actually comes in two different firmnesses. You have the soft edition, and then you also have the firm edition of this Luxe Adapt mattress. Now, I will say you'll just kind of pick based on your personal preference. If you like a softer, kind of plushier mattress, I would recommend going with the soft. However, if you like the firm and a little bit more support from your mattress, I would highly recommend the firm. When you lay on this mattress, you sincerely feel like you're laying on a luxurious mattress, and I am so impressed at how comfortable it is, how it stays cool, and how great of a night's sleep I can get. And for those reasons, I highly recommend this TempurPedic Luxe Adapt mattress. Now, make sure and check out the link down below in the description to get your hands on this product. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.